Jay Haynes for the Film Sensei YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to teach an absolute beginner's lesson on tracking in DaVinci Resolve. Before we get started, please do me a favor and like this video. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any future Resolve tutorials. All right, so I'm going to start by dragging down this raw footage. If I come down here, I'm just going to drag down the video part of it, and you can see that this is just a tracking shot that goes across my porch. I'm just panning the camera. Let me go down to a single video, and what I want to do is I want to take this fire and I want to add it to that candle right there. So I'm going to right click on this footage and create a new fusion clip, and then under the fusion tab I will go ahead, open up the media pool, and I'll just add that fire asset as a node here in here. Go ahead and close the media pool. So now I'm going to add a tracker that's going to track that as it moves. So I'm going to select the media in, and then I'll hit Shift and Space to bring up, and I will type in the word tracker, which you can see I've already done. And there it is right there. And I'm going to add that. And now it is sitting here. This is a single point tracker. And you can see it right here. If I grab that, I'm just going to drag this down and place it right here on that candle, just like that. And then with that all set up, I'm just going to say track forward and backwards. And now it is going to track, and it's a beautiful track. It's perfectly synced in, and it only takes a few seconds. Now that it's done, I can go ahead and run that and see, and yes, it's perfect. Okay, so now all I have to do is take my media 2 and drag it here into the tracker. And now, as you look, nothing's happened. Why is that? Well, that's because I haven't set up in the tracker to actually show that. So I'm going to select the tracker, and in the inspector panel, I'm going to come to operation, and you can see that the current operation is none. Well, that's not going to work. So I'm going to click on that and select match move. Okay. So now when I do this, you will see that it is moving, and there's the asset right there. Okay. The problem, of course, is it's not actually where it should be. So I'm going to have to fix that. If I select on the media 2 input here, that flame, you'll see that there's no way to actually move any of those at any of that stuff. So what I'm going to need to do is set up a transform node to do that for me. So with the media 2 selected, I'm going to click on this icon, which adds a transform node in between the media and the tracker. But now with that selected, you can see that I have all these controls. First thing I'm going to do is just change the size of this. I want it to be a lot smaller. Let's go about maybe that big. And then I can grab this and move it, or I can use these center X and Y. I'm going to hit the control key and use my mouse wheel to just zoom in here a little bit and just place this exactly where I want it to be. Let me just get a better view of that, and I think about like there. That looks great. So now selecting this, I can say fit to screen, and backing this up, I can go ahead and check it out, see what it looks like. And voila, we have a flame asset attached to that candle as it's moving across the screen. There are other tracking tools in DaVinci Resolve as well, and I'll be making tutorials for those soon. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of those when they come out. Until next time, thanks for watching.